In this video, I would be revealing the hidden roadmap that many online millionaires like Iman Gadzhi, Alex Hormozi, and Jordan Welch have used to build a business empire and generate millions of dollars in revenue. It's absolutely hard to believe in making money online given the number of so-called gurus on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Each guru has his own path to making $10,000, which is locked behind the walls of a paid course costing thousands of dollars. Now, with many flashy business models like dropshipping and SMMA, which many see these as a quick and easy way to make money on the internet. And do you know the funny thing? The so-called gurus telling you to start a dropshipping store in 2024 don't own a store themselves. They know how competitive the business model they are promoting is and prefer selling courses on the subject. I'm not saying it's not possible to make money with dropshipping or SMMA. It is indeed absolutely possible, but bear in mind that these business models require a lot of resources and a trusted portfolio to even gain a chance of succeeding over millions out there. Here's the truth: the only way to building wealth is by providing value. You provide value to other people, solve their problem, and they appreciate the value provided in monetary terms. Step 1. Learn a profitable skill. Before you start browsing the internet for videos, podcasts, or courses, you need to have a clear idea of the skill you want to learn. There are countless of resources to learn new skills online, but most of them are very expensive. I personally would recommend watching some YouTube videos, as they are a lot of educative content on YouTube. Another resource I personally use is Allison, which offers a lot of value on courses and offers certificates. After completion of any course, you can check it out in the first link in the description below. One of the main challenges that I see many people face is maintaining motivation and staying disciplined when learning any skill. To stay focused, consider setting milestones and joining a community of people learning the same skill to keep you motivated. You need to know that becoming an expert in any skill takes years of consistent practice, so you should be ready to put in 1 to 2 years to learn and master a skill. I personally started learning video editing some months ago, and I am improving on my editing skills by creating videos. Learning without application makes it extremely difficult to retain the information that you have learned. Step 2. Sell the skill. You can work as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or you can reach out to brands who may need your service. The main essence of this is to build a very good portfolio where you can show proof of client satisfaction with your service. Step 3. Build a personal brand. I would recommend building a personal brand on YouTube and Instagram. Here, you could share videos on what you do and how you do them. You could also share your projects. This step is aimed at building an audience and gaining more clients. This is by far the best method to get clients as they reach out to you and can potentially work with you without any stress. Step 4. Create a course. This is something all internet gurus do when they've mastered a particular skill. This would enable them help others who are interested in learning that particular skill while being paid thousands of dollars. This is a very great way to make money from your audience and provide in-depth value and mentorships to your audience. Step 5. Create businesses. Creating businesses is a crucial step in wealth management. Establishing ventures like SaaS, real estate, and e-commerce can not only preserve wealth, but also potentially multiply it over the years. Build a business that would stand the test of time. It could be a fashion brand, a bar, or a fast food company. It all depends on the capital you have, but ensure you conduct proper business research to prove the viability of the business model. So there you have it, a full blueprint to go from broke to rich in 2024. If you found this video helpful, please do well to smash the like button and subscribe to receive notifications of when we post a video like this again. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. See you in my next video.